students, it is the 12th science period for vapor pressure. This chapter is solution about vapor pressure. Vapor pressure of solution, which is liquid in liquid, means both the liquids are volatile, and they forms a pressure, they forms a vapor above solution layer, and that pressure creates vapor pressure at equilibrium. Suppose solution A, or in this solution A is one of the component A and component B. Both the components are there. When these components mixed with each other, the reaction cannot be takes place. These two components, homogeneous mixture which is to be formed, it is known as a solution. In this solution, component A and component B mix with each other. If this component is more in amount, then it is known as solvent. If this component is less in amount, it is known as solute. Solute and solvent composition is there. But both components are volatile. Then we must say that P1, जब भी किसी volatile component का composition है, when two components are mixed with each other, साथ में अगर होते हैं, उनका P1 is the partial vapor pressure of A. Means when it is with B, then it is known as partial. When it is with B, it is known as partial vapor pressure. The vapors of A with respect to vapors of B are also there. So P2 is equal to partial vapor pressure of B. Both the components are there. They are volatile. When they mix with each other, gives a solution, and in that solution state, with respect to their vapors, they develop their vapor pressure above the solution layer at equilibrium condition and at a given temperature. Equilibrium condition is important part, given temperature is also important part. It is P1 and P2, partial vapor pressure of A, partial vapor pressure of B. Yes, vapor pressure of solution which is liquid in liquid form, this P1 and P2, and P1 naught, if you are mentioning only P1 naught, vapor pressure of pure liquid E. P2 naught, vapor pressure of pure liquid B. Pure form, जब वो अकेले होते हैं, only one component, it is in pure state, so it is known as P1 naught, and it is also, if it is in pure form, P2 naught. It is vapor pressure of solution which is liquid in liquid, which is in the form of liquid in liquid. Raoult's law states that for this solution, Raoult's law states that partial vapor pressure of first component equal to partial vapor pressure of component A. Partial vapor pressure of component A equal to multiplication of its mole fraction. It is mole fraction of A. Multiplication of mole fraction and vapor pressure of that component when it is in pure state. Vapor pressure of that component when it is in pure state means amount of that component into vapor pressure of the component when it is in pure state. जब अकेला होगा इतना वेपर प्रेशर होगा, उससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आप उसके कॉन्सेंट्रेशन से. कॉन्सेंट्रेशन x1 is mole fraction of A. Mole fraction is denoted as x1 is equal to number of moles of first component divided by total number of components present in the solution. N1 plus N2. N1 means number of moles of first component A and number of moles of this component and other B component addition. This ratio is known as x1. x1 is in fraction value. जब भी आप फ्रैक्शन बोलोगे तो वो एक से कम होता है, एक से कम होता है. इज 0.1, 0.9, 0.8, 0.7, 0.6, 0.5 etc. It is the equation for Raoult's law. Equation for Raoult's law for this first component, equation for Raoult's law for second component, that is P2 partial vapor pressure of component B and component A. It is for component A, it is for component B. For this P2 is equal to x2 into P2 naught. P2 naught vapor pressure of pure component B. It is mole fraction of B. It is partial vapor pressure of B. This equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 2. When these two equations get added to each other, means partial pressure of first component, partial pressure of second component, it is known as total vapor pressure. Total vapor pressure, or it is also known as vapor pressure of that solution containing two liquid components. They are volatile. It is total vapor pressure, or it is also known as vapor pressure of solution. Pt is equal to P1 plus P2. Put this value of this and this here, then P or Pt. P means vapor pressure of solution. P or Pt is equal to P1. P1 means x1 into P1 naught plus x2 into P2 naught. x1 into P1 naught plus x2 into P2 naught. Yes, we can write such type of equation with respect to सेकेंड कंपोनेंट ओनली. आप सेकेंड कंपोनेंट से भी लिख सकते हो. x1 की जगह पे आप लिख सकते हो p इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस x2. मैंने आपको बताया था अभी फ्रैक्शन x1 मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट प्लस मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड कंपोनेंट, मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट, मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकेंड कंपोनेंट. इन सॉल्यूशन two components are there. Always such type of first component, second component mixed with each other, their mole fraction addition is always equal to 1. So x1 is equal to 1 minus x2. Write this equation in the form of x2, mole fraction of second component. 1 minus x2 p1 naught plus x2 p2 naught. It is the equation, Raoult's law equation for liquid in liquid. 1 minus x2 p1 naught plus x2 p2 naught. फिर आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हो, इक्वेशन को आगे बढ़ा भी सकते हो. P is equal to vapor pressure of solution is equal to p1 naught minus p1 naught x2 plus p2 naught x2. Yes, then P is equal to vapor pressure of solution equal to p2 naught x2 p1 naught x2 p1 naught, yes, plus x2 naught, x2 कॉमन निकालेंगे तो p2 naught minus p1 naught. It is final equation for Raoult's law when both the liquids are volatile and solution is liquid in liquid. Raoult's law states that multiplication of this mole fraction of first component and vapor pressure of that component in pure state equal to partial vapor pressure of that component. Same, this is the Raoult's law and this is our final equation. We use this Raoult's law equation in other form or in different form, or we use in next video, we apply in next video such type of Raoult's law with respect to liquid in liquid or any type of other solute, one solute which is नॉन वोलाटाइल, अगर एक नॉन वोलाटाइल होता है और एक वोलाटाइल होता है तो इक्वेशन को आप कन्वर्ट भी कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको बताऊंगा व्हेन टू कंपोनेंट्स आर देयर they are not volatile, one is not volatile, other is volatile. Volatile is a solvent and non volatile is a solute. When non volatile solute in very small amount added into the solvent, the vapor pressure somewhat get lowered. That type of lowering of vapor pressure, it is to be derived in our next video. Thank you.